After a historic and monumental week prior, the past days have laid bare the destruction for all to see, from the financial earthquake that the Lehman bankruptcy and the AIG takeover by the US governments have been part of. A week of congressional hearings at the highest levels appear to have produced a tentative agreement for a bailout of the financial sector coming from the US government, in which the Treasury will become, in essence, a godfather type of entity organizing a system which will purchase and manage failing mortgage loans, now known as toxic assets, from overwrought financial institutions. The rescue will be voted on today and possibly tomorrow by the US government and will probably be ratified in some manner. The devastation from the financial disaster has now claimed the end of the large investment bank era. Both Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley have been given the green light by the Federal Reserve to become depository banks, which means they will both be under far more government regulation. Importantly, we should also note that the quagmire has not left Europe untouched. Fortis Bank, the huge Belgium-based financial institution, suffered from severe market speculation and has had to accept a bailout package from Belgium and the Netherlands this weekend. Ari, what are your thoughts about the past week?
Daniela, I think that the $700 billion plan will definitely calm down US markets. Will be important to watch also on the commercial side. We have Citicorp are in negotiations really to buy Wachovia. That'll be interesting to look out for as well. So we're expecting this plan really to make a turnaround in the US. Finally, the US dollar to calm down as well. Let's take a look maybe on the European region. We had the story of Fortis Bank, as you mentioned, and Bingley and Bradley in the UK. Both these banks are in deep trouble. Be interesting to see who's next in the Eurozone. Now the Eurozone is on the map again for deep trouble. Let's take a look at the banking sector there in the investment banking. Very interesting to see which banks fall from their side. Thank you, Daniela.
Thank you. Clearly, the impact of the financial turmoil is still a developing story, and global investors must remain vigilant. Thank you, everybody, and have a good week of trading.